Hello, it's me, your long-time best friend that you haven't seen since 2023. I was gone, and then I see you at your hometown, just looking at you. See you walking all alone. You have no other friends, and you were walking all alone to the shop at night. See you. I was gonna say hi to you, but I got distracted. I don't know, but I believe you. And I see you all alone now. And over the other side, I've been to Kuma many times to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart. And to tell you that I'm sorry I didn't say goodbye. And over the other side, I've been to your town many times to tell you I'm sorry that I wasn't there to tell you that I'm sorry for breaking your heart. Hello, can you hear me? It's your long-time best friend and your childhood friend. I'm here, buddy, seeing you. It's been a long time since we haven't done much. And I see you all alone again. This is not between us. I must have called 1,000 times. I'm sorry for breaking your heart. It's to you that I believe you didn't trust you before the hell of the other side. I hope you feel well, my best friend. To tell you that I'm sorry for breaking your heart. And to tell you that I believe you before I get my hello from the other side. So this is just between us. To tell you I'm sorry. I was in the dark. Because I was walking. I know what's so to from the other side. I've been to your town many times to tell you that I'm sorry I didn't go to say hello to you. I got distracted with hello from the other side. I've been to your house many times. I dream about you. You gave me one more blessed tears. I haven't got in a while. And I'm sorry for everything that it didn't work out pretty well for you and me. I was gonna say hello to you. When I see you walk around the street and I saw you, I was gonna say hello to you. But I got distracted by something I don't know what is it. But I see you alone and just be by my side. Hello from the other side. I've been to your town many times. To you, I'm sorry. To tell you that I didn't say goodbye for a very last time. Hello from the other side. I've been to your town many times until I saw you in my dream. You with me, whoa, just little kids that time. And from the other side, I dream about you 3 times. We were just kids, but in my third dream, we were grown up right now. And say that I'm sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. I didn't have a chance to say goodbye to you. So this is me right now, saying hello to you. It's been a long time since we haven't seen each other. But now I came to say hello.